that means for us that all our products will become digital. Sensors per se do not generate data. If you translate this into a control circuit, you can see that the sensor is actually giving you measurement values, and measurement values are not data. There is a lot to do to change measurement values coming from a sensor into data, because you need to have a lot of a priori knowledge inside your control system, inside your computer, to really interpret these 18.3 millimeter the right way. And if this a priori knowledge is not available simply because you're a remote computer in a network that has access to this sensor, he can't do anything without having this a priori knowledge. Has to be structured in a semantic or ontology that consists out of semantic, syntax, and a dictionary. We need to understand E-class is a way to structure the asset administration shell and gives a dictionary, a semantic, and syntax to the asset administration shell that helps us to generate what we call the content-related information. That's important to understand. Sensors have to be changed from what they are today, giving measurement values, into generating data. And this only works if you have a structured way to represent this data in an Industry 4.0 network. And the methodology is the asset administration shell, and the structuring inside the asset administration shell must be followed with a standard, and the most prominent, the most best dedicated standard for this is, without any doubt, E-class. There is no debate about what's the right semantics, syntax, and dictionary. It has to be E-class.
I would state it is really about making abstract data, you could also say raw data, understandable and ready for usage. So usage for the applications. E-class already provides really a huge amount of semantics, especially master data, static properties, but also more and more runtime data. So that's a great dictionary as basis for modeling a lot of these different aspects for representing an asset via a digital twin, via the asset administration shell.